Hey there, everybody. So today we're going to talk about how to address multiple issues in one blend. So if you've got several things going on, but you want a nighttime blend that's going to allow you to rest, but address some physical issues too, we're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you a linen spray. They can also be a body spray that will address digestive issues, high blood pressure, um, sleep disturbances. So that is the blend that we're going to make. I'm going to show you how to do that right now, really quick and easy. Hey there, you guys. All right, I'm making a really quick blend this evening, and what I'm doing is making a linen spray. So you have your 1 ounce spray bottle. I've got filtered water in there about up to here. And for this person, I want it to be very relaxing. So they're looking for some support with sleep. This person also has high blood pressure. I'm starting with a frankincense hydrosol. So let me just show you that. So it's like half filtered water, the other half is the frankincense hydrosol. And okay, so this person also deals with high blood pressure, um, repressed kind of emotions where I believe that's probably um, exacerbating the high blood pressure. So I'm making a blend that's not only going to be relaxing for sleep, but that's also going to address some of the emotional issues as well as supporting a healthier heart and blood pressure. Bergamot, and I'm going to go with 5 drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hopefully you can see that. So we know all about bergamot and its fantastic emotional support. But guess what? Bergamot is also really great at managing tummy upset. And this person is also dealing with a lot of indigestion. So I try to, in my blends, address as much as I can that makes sense in one blend. And this is cedarwood. I truly love cedarwood. I mean, it's got that grounding effect. It's beautiful for relaxing. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to do about 30 drops altogether. And what's so great about cedarwood is it's got a really similar grounding effect to frankincense, but it's much more economical. Um, and for a lot of folks, it is equally relaxing. So you're going to address the sleep issue. You're going to have not just sleep, but actually relaxing and dealing with that emotional piece. And the other great thing about is neroli. Love neroli. So with neroli, it's a really strong aroma. So I'm not going to put as many drops in there, but I'm adding it for emotional support and for relaxing, which is also going to support when it comes to lowering blood pressure just because of the relaxing effect. Um, and again, with this person kind of having not expressing emotion, neroli is going to help with that and also with calming down any anxiousness. So it's just a really great blend for an evening linen spray. So, and I'm making this as a linen spray. I'm trying to get the air bubble out. I'm making this as an evening linen spray, but that ended up being like 4 drops. It's so hard to manage these and keep them from coming out too much. So what I'm going to do when that happens, I'm just going to test the aroma. And if it's too sweet, which it is, then we will. Neroli is really, really sweet, kind of similar to geranium or rose. I'm going to blend it real good to make sure. But I can already tell that neroli is taking it over. I can't talk and do those drops at the same time. Okay, it smells really good, but that it's just a little too sweet. Not as sweet as I thought it would be. So now I need to find something that's going to cut that neroli. Cedarwood won't do that because it's too sweet. Frankincense, I've got the frankincense hydrosol. Let me try, because I do want that grounding effect. So I am going to try just a drop of frankincense. Frankincense is a milder aroma. Let's see what that does. And a lot of this just depends on the person. So if I am making a blend for you and you love a nice sweet smell, I just leave it just how it is. But I happen to know this person does not love a sweet, sweet smell. So we are going to cut that a little bit. And peppermint would be great if this wasn't a nighttime blend. I am going to try a blend with some fennel and anise. And the reason I'm going to add that is for the aroma, for one thing. It's going to cut some of that sweetness, but also the indigestion that the person deals with. This blend is really good for that. 1, 2, 3. And the blend is called Digest. It's a nice little blend. And I think it might cut that sweetness. Now, so what I was saying is this is a linen spray, but be careful with your linen because I'm not adding like, soluble or anything that's going to keep that oil from separating out. So because I have water in here, that oil is going to separate out and it could settle right in on your sheet. So be careful with that. Make sure you hold the spray, far enough away from it where it's not going to stain your sheets. And I would test it on some sheets you don't love as much before you, really go for it because I don't want you to ruin your sheets. And the other thing is you can actually spray this on your body too. So it wouldn't have to just go on the sheet. I like being able to have them just spray their pillow and then fall right to sleep with this therapeutic aroma. And it's actually, you're definitely getting the benefit. I think that did it. I do. It's still slightly too sweet. So I think what I'm going to do is add just a little bit more of that. That neroli sweetened up my blend. But this is just showing you too, you can still, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can manage it even if you make a blend and the aroma is not exactly what you want. Play around with some of the other aromas, but if you're concerned because you don't want to waste your oils playing around so much with the different aromas, shoot me a message and I can give you an idea of what might cut it. If it might be too strong or too sweet or too spicy. Yeah, that's better. Yay! Okay, so what I'll do is just have the person give a whiff. And what you can also do, so what I'll do is if when they smell this, they still feel like it's too sweet, what I'll do is just divide this up and make a new blend and just go ahead and fill that up with the original items. Okay. All right. So that's your linen spray. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.